Well, this is how I clean the bird cage every morning. It's pretty easy, except the birds. Not Rube. Rube sits up there, but you know, I clean it every morning. It makes it easier. Real easy. It blows right out. I bleach it, but this is what I go to every morning. Yeah, this is what I go to. It's a good go-to though, but I can't fucking move around like I want to. Okay, man. Put that right on that. They don't go nowhere. They're not scared of anything. Yeah. And then boom. I think he's hungry already. Don't you go in there yet. Don't you go in there yet. He thinks it's time to eat. Look at him. Don't you go in there yet. Don't you go in there yet. Oh. I do this pretty much every day. Look at him. He thinks it's time to eat already. I just blow it out and then blow it out the food area. Okay. What are you eating off of me, man? Go ahead, come on. Trying to feed me. I'm not. Where you at? Look at him. He stays with me when I work. Look. Yeah, he stays with me while I work. See him? Come on, get off my phone. So, anyway, y'all have a good Saturday, and I will talk to y'all later. Peace out.